what's up? So I'm in Garden Grove today. My friend's partying at a Z and he's got a set of TN coilovers. I believe they're TN coilovers. So I'm gonna get those on my car. Hopefully it's gonna turn out pretty sick. I don't have rolled fenders, so probably not gonna drop it too low yet. Maybe drop it like another ½ inch, but waiting to figure that all out. I'm probably not gonna film a whole lot because it's gonna take a while, so at least from my experience it'll take a while, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'll try and get a little bit of filming in between, like taking each shock off and putting the new coilover in, so at least I'll get that.
Got the first half of the trunk interior out. I skipped taking the backrest of the back seats out because it's pretty easy. It's just literally 4 bolts that hook into those brackets. Like, where is it? Right there as well. But besides that, it's pretty easy. And then the seat is just 2 clips, and then yeah, literally I think the bottom half of the seat is just 2 clips that go into like that hole right there. And basically this is why you have to take it off, because this is got no cutout or a little access spot. So this little boot is just the top of the suspension right there. So basically you have to do all this just to get to that.
It's kind of getting hard to go down now.
Oh my god.
I heard something crack.
Oh.
Dude, it's still going down.
It's definitely like sitting on frame rail, bro.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
Yeah, so it doesn't work out that way. Yeah, it's not gonna work out. Oh, it doesn't? No, we're gonna have to raise it up. Oh my god, it's super hard to fucking lift it. Seeing that.
Oh my god.
You have the crowbar? Let me see the crowbar.
Basically, it's just a 17 millimeter here, and then there's a nut on the other side, so you need a ratchet and a wrench. And then these 2 12s right there. And then this is gonna get stuck probably, so this is gonna suck. I tried already when I was up at his house, but we just didn't have the right tools, so I'm gonna try it again here and see what happens. Okay, finally got the first one out. Took so long. I had to use a pry bar and hammer the top of this and use ties. I'm gonna try and get the coilover and I'll show you what I got. So it's a set of D2s. I don't really know much about them. Like I said, my friend had them on his Z and he's parting it out. So I know that they are like about $800 or $900 when they're new. So I got the fronts and the rears. They got the adjustable damping on the top, and then the preload collars, obviously, and then just the height one. So I have no idea where they're set right now. I just know that they're low. So I put some WD-40 on there, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to break that collar loose so I can lower this a little, or raise this a little bit. His car was slammed, and I don't have my fenders rolled, and I don't plan on doing that if I don't have to. I know it's probably a stupid idea to not, but I'm gonna just see how I can run them until I get new wheels, because I really do not want to roll the fenders right now. I don't have the tool, and none of my friends have the tool, so I'm just gonna get this in and we'll see how far it goes up into the wheel well. Okay, so I know that the best way to do this, because I just got the other one out, the best way to do this is probably just gonna be to go back through the bottom. So I'm gonna do this. And then I have my two top nuts right here. And I have these suckers set to all the way as swift as they can go, because I don't want to slam my fender. And just lightly tighten these top ones. Bring it up here with me. And this is what the inside of the car looks like right now. So again, these are 12s. So now I have to figure out how to get these moved over so that they fit in there right, but I'll be back in 1 second. Hung up over on the other side, so I just literally pulled it over and it tightened. Okay, as I was saying before I knocked the camera over, I recommend the bolt goes in this side because it's impossible to get a ratchet on this side. You'll figure that out pretty quick. So it just goes right through there, and then the nut goes on the other side. When you're installing coilovers is before you tighten down the bottom bolt, you always want to jack up the suspension a little bit just so it has some tension so your bushings don't bind up. So it doesn't have to be a lot, just a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, that should be good. Just took tension off of this little bushing in here. Now I'm gonna tighten it up. And okay, so I just jacked it up. It is slammed, dude. Like, for me at least, for not having rolled fenders or anything, that is so tight. Oh my God. I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's see if it rubs. I'm gonna get the wheel off and count the other one. So from this collar to the bottom collar, it's almost exactly 3 inches minus like a thread. So that's how I'm gonna set this one up. This is the other rear. I'm gonna get this one in. Probably won't show that because it's gonna take forever. Let's go. Oh, I gotta look for that. Get the video. Video? No. I just wanted. I got it done. I didn't film a whole lot because it's about to get dark. But oh my God, I'm going to my favorite picture spot right now. So we'll see what happens. I look like a mess right now, but I'm so stoked. The sun's about to go down. I've been working on this all day. See you guys in a second. There we go. It looks so good. It's not slammed, but it's pretty low. Definitely lower than I've ever had it. Looks so good. Yeah, I just got some pictures and a little tiny video clip, but they unfortunately closed my favorite spot because kids like to go up there and do donuts. I don't have the money to do donuts, so I just go up there and take pictures usually, but they shut it. There's now a gate there, so
I just took pictures out behind our movie theater. But I think they turned out pretty good. I gotta edit them up, see how they go. But yeah, I think it turned out great. Let me know what you guys think. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. See you guys.